Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this quick session, we'll explore a simple breathing technique to help us find a sense of grounding and calm. Start by settling into a comfortable position. Sit tall so that your breath can move deeply and easily. Root down through your sitting bones and let your spine lengthen all the way through the crown of your head. Stay as relaxed as possible here, softening your shoulders and drawing them slightly back to open your chest. And if you haven't yet, gently close your eyes. Now, turn your attention to your breath. Take a few deep, expansive breaths, feeling your ribs and lungs fill completely, and then empty all the way out. And now, as you breathe in, allow your belly to fill first, then feel your ribs expand, and finally your chest rise. As you breathe out, let your chest fall first, then your ribs release, and lastly, your belly soften. And it can be helpful to place your hands on your body to feel the breath move more clearly during this three-part breath. So, start with your hands resting on your belly. Inhaling, the belly expands, then ribs, then chest. Exhaling, the chest releases, then ribs, then belly. And now shift your hands to your ribs so that you notice their movement. Breathe in, belly swells, then ribs, then chest. Breathe out, chest gently contracts, then ribs, then belly. Finally, rest your hands gently on your chest, noticing your breath moving here. On your in-breath, feel your belly widen first, then your ribs, then your chest rising. On your out-breath, feel your chest fall first, your ribs contract, and your belly soften. Now, let your breath find its way back to a natural rhythm and take some time to notice how you feel. And when you're ready, bring small movements into your body and slowly open your eyes. I hope you've enjoyed this breath technique. See you again soon.